Today we will talk about AVN of the hip or avascular necrosis of the hip. This is mainly a type of pain in the hip joint which occurs due to deformity of the hip due to various reasons. The most common reasons today are especially due to post-COVID, and if you have taken steroids for long term, if you have consumed alcohol for a long time. Sometimes it may be due to some injury or infection, and sometimes the cause cannot be found. The main symptoms of AVN are pain in the hip joint. Initially it is only pain, and that too only during activity. As the AVN progresses, pain also progresses to some sort of deformity, limping, and a time comes when the patient is not at all able to walk or stand. The problem with this in AVN mainly is that the hip joint is normally a ball and socket type of joint. So this is the head of the thigh bone, which we call as the femur, and this is the hip bone. So whenever AVN starts, the head of the hip joint, it starts getting destroyed. Slowly, the disease may spread even to the socket or to the hip bone. First thing you should do when you think you have AVN is get an MRI done. It gives you an indication as to what is the stage of the disease. So there are mainly 4 stages. In the first 2 stages, the disease is limited mainly to the ball or to the thigh bone. At this stage, the symptoms are mainly only pain. This is a stage where it is easier to control the pain and to reverse these changes. As the disease progresses up to the socket or to the hip bone, after that there is a deformity, limping, and surgery becomes necessary. Various treatment options are available for AVN without surgery also. These are more successful in the first 2 stages of AVN. These include PRP therapy or platelet-rich plasma therapy, which is injected into the head of the femur. Secondly, articular branches of the hip joint, that is the nerve supply of the hip joint, which is responsible for carrying the pain sensations, is ablated with the help of radio frequency ablation. These both techniques give excellent results in stage 1 and 2 AVN. In further stages, you might have to go in for surgery.